Whatever project you are wanting to create, let me show you this faux moss. The brand sent this to me to test out and try. Now I did choose this dark green color. It does come in a lighter color as well. I'm gonna be using this on a couple of my plants. They actually came with moss and it looks awful. The big piece you get is roughly 40 inches by 40 inches, so a nice big piece. It is on this like nylon backing, so it's super, super pliable. Cut it with some scissors. As you can see, I already cut out a piece right here. This is absolutely fade resistant, and you can actually still water your plants even if you have this around them. Just look how incredibly real this looks. And it's not all like dry and brittle. This is nice and soft. So as you can see, this is actually the pot I'm going to fix. This is the old moss. As you can see, as I'm sitting here on the floor, look how incredibly soft and flexible this is. I'll be able to just cut out a piece and put it right up top. So much nicer than what I had. So whatever project you're working on, I definitely recommend using this moss. You can't go wrong.